Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at a 1984 Mustang GT350 convertible. It's Ford's 20th Mustang Anniversary Edition car. They didn't produce a lot of them. They were all basically the same, white with a red interior. You could get a few different engine choices. You could get a 4-cylinder turbo. You could get the 5-liter with fuel injection on it and an automatic transmission, or you could get the 5-liter with a manual transmission and a carburetor. This particular one's got the carburetor and the 5-speed in it, and so I look forward to getting it going. I'm kind of excited to take it for a drive. Back in the day, a friend of mine had one of these brand new, and it was a lot of fun. His was the carbureted 5-speed manual. It was a T-top car, and we had a lot of fun with it, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, today we're going to go look at a 1984 Mustang GT350 convertible. I haven't seen this yet, so hopefully it'll be a halfway decent car. It's a kind of rare car, so I'm hoping it's pretty nice so I can bring it home. So, hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, here's that Mustang. The guy said it was original paint, but it looks like there's been some paint work done on it. If you look in the wheel well there. Also, it looks like there's some paint chips filled in there. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but the plaques, or the anniversary plaque and the original owner plaque, is still on the dash, which is nice. Alright, we got this all loaded up, so let's get out of here. It's getting late. Alright, let's take a look at the Mustang. This is a 84 anniversary edition Mustang. They call them GT350s. If I'm not mistaken, there was a little lawsuit over that name with Carroll Shelby. I'll look up the production numbers and let you guys know, but they're pretty low on this car. They only made, I don't know, roughly 1,200 of them or something like that. So it's got 97,220 miles on it. What's interesting for this being a GT, it's fairly plain Jane as far as trim and everything, especially being an anniversary edition. Alright, this is going to sound a little crazy. I totally forgot to look in the trunk when I was looking at this car, so I'm going to open it up for the first time and see what we got. Awesome! Master cylinder, shocks, brake fluid, awesome, jack. Some vacuum stuff. I did notice that there's some vacuum stuff off on there, so that's apparently it right there. Headlight, belt, the manual release for the fuel filler door, bungee, alright, here's the engine bay. This car's got the 5-liter 4-barrel high output. Because it's a 5-speed manual transmission, it has a carburetor. If it was an automatic, it would be fuel injected. That's the way they did these this year. Little whoops on the bumper. But otherwise, it's a pretty straight car. I'm excited to get working on it and check it out a little bit. Got the aluminum powered by Ford valve covers on it. I noticed there's a few vacuum lines off. If you look right back in there, it looks like there's some off, so I'll have to get that figured out. There's one right there that's off. So it's got a new master cylinder and booster. So we'll have to see if this baby runs and what it sounds like and all that good stuff. This seat's actually really nice. Here's the red moldings from the side of the car. Found the Louisiana plate under the driver's seat. Look at the anniversary. Daniel and Diana Jones, number 3813. Alright, there was a whole bunch of stuff in the Mustang, and I'm going to take a look at it and see what we all got. These are original keys for that car. Look how big the round one is. That's kind of crazy how they did that. Looks like the data plate with the VIN and the, for the warranty stuff. There's an extra anniversary pin or tag for the dash on it. Louisiana map. Warranty stuff. Oh, awesome. Check that out. The original warranty tag on it. That's cool. New Orleans, Louisiana. The warranty expires June 25th of '88. 60,000 mile warranty. Looks like it was bought on June 25th, 1984. Convertible top instructions. Oh, I think that was originally on the visor. Tells all about the controls and how they work. Super cool. I'll have to take a look at that. This looks like some kind of a sheet that they put together with their cost on it. It says the sticker was $15,411 on it. They bought a 4-year maintenance plan, taxes, license, other fees. Looks like they maybe paid $14,351 was the base price, and it looks like with everything else they added on $16,110. That's kind of cool. The owner's manual with the date on it that they bought it. That's kind of awesome. Then we also got, there's a whole bunch of stuff down here. I mean, there's a stack. I'm not going to go through all this. A lot of this is like manuals, which is kind of interesting. More receipts. Oh, here we're getting into some of the dealer stuff again. This might be a little interesting. This is the temp tags that they got. This is some information on the service plan that they got. Some things they had fixed. Warranty information, registration. This is the purchase contract on the car. That's kind of cool. More receipts. Well, they kept records. Oh, look at that. That's the window sticker. $15,411 is the price, and then this has got all the options and everything on it that it's got. So that's really cool. And they got a copy of it as well. Definitely hang on to that. These are just a bunch more receipts, it looks like. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. We'll continue to work on the Mustang. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Ugh, cough up a lung there. Whew.